Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to source for all things home improvement and design. Today, we delve into the transformative world of kitchen indoor garden design and tips to elevate home with fresh herbs and greenery. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A concept that seamlessly marries functionality with aesthetic appeal. For those seeking to infuse their culinary spaces with life and vitality, this discussion will offer invaluable insights. Let us first address the fundamental question. What, precisely, constitutes kitchen indoor garden design? It is not merely the placement of a potted plant, it is a deliberate integration of living flora into the heart of your home. This design philosophy emphasizes the strategic cultivation of herbs, vegetables, and decorative plants within the kitchen environment. It involves creating a sustainable, accessible source of fresh produce and an aesthetically pleasing feature that enhances the overall ambience. The goal is to establish a harmonious balance between the practicalities of food preparation and the serene beauty of nature. This can range from simple countertop herb arrangements to sophisticated vertical garden systems. Now, we consider the compelling advantages of incorporating an indoor garden into your kitchen. Beyond the obvious aesthetic enhancements, there are tangible benefits that contribute to both your well-being and your culinary endeavors. Firstly, fresh herbs and vegetables are readily available, enhancing the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. Secondly, indoor gardens purify the air, promoting a healthier living environment. The presence of plants has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood, creating a more tranquil and inviting atmosphere. Furthermore, it fosters a sense of connection with nature, which is often lacking in modern, urban living. By cultivating your own produce, you gain a deeper appreciation for the food you consume and a greater sense of self-sufficiency. How do I decorate my kitchen with indoor garden? The practical implementation of an indoor garden necessitates careful consideration of design and placement. Allow me to offer some guidance. Firstly, assess your kitchen's natural light. South-facing windows are ideal, but supplemental grow lights can compensate for less optimal conditions. Consider vertical space. Wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, and tiered shelving systems maximize available space and create visual interest. Integrate your garden into existing design elements. For example, a herb garden can be incorporated into a backsplash or integrated into open shelving. Select containers that complement your kitchen's aesthetic, whether it be sleek stainless steel, rustic terracotta, or modern minimalist designs. Ensure proper drainage to prevent waterlogging. Consider the functionality of your kitchen layout, placing frequently used herbs within easy reach of the cooking area. What is the best plants for kitchen indoor garden design? Choosing the right plants is paramount to the success of your indoor garden. Herbs such as basil, mint, parsley, and chives are excellent choices due to their adaptability and culinary versatility. Leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, and arugula thrive in indoor environments. Small fruiting plants such as cherry tomatoes and strawberries can also be grown successfully with adequate light and care. Succulents and air plants are low-maintenance options that add textural interest and require minimal upkeep. It is crucial to select plants that suit your kitchen's environmental conditions and your personal preferences. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best kitchen indoor garden design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Countertop herb garden. Simple, accessible, and perfect for frequently used herbs. Utilize matching terracotta pots or sleek stainless steel containers for a cohesive look. 2. Vertical wall garden. Maximize space with a wall-mounted system. Install tiered shelves or pocket planters to create a living wall of greenery. 3. Hanging herb baskets. Suspend baskets from the ceiling or kitchen beams to add a touch of whimsy and save counter space. 4. Windowsill garden. Utilize natural sunlight by placing herbs and small plants along your kitchen windowsill. Ensure proper drainage and consider using a waterproof tray. 5. Integrated backsplash garden. Incorporate planters directly into your backsplash for a seamless and functional design. 6. Under cabinet garden. Install grow lights under your cabinets to create a dedicated space for growing herbs and greens. 7. Tiered plant shelving. Use a multi-tiered shelving unit to create a visually appealing display of various herbs and plants. 8. Hydroponic system. Opt for a hydroponic system for a modern and efficient way to grow plants without soil. 9. Repurposed container garden. Use vintage teacups, mason jars, or other repurposed containers to add a unique and eco-friendly touch. 10. Indoor citrus garden. If you have adequate lighting and space, consider growing small citrus trees like dwarf lemons or limes for a fragrant and visually stunning addition. By thoughtfully applying these principles, you can transform your kitchen into a vibrant and functional indoor garden. The integration of nature into your daily life is a rewarding endeavor that enhances both your culinary experiences and your overall well-being. We have explored the multifaceted benefits and practical considerations of kitchen indoor garden design. Remember, the key is to create a space that reflects your personal style and meets your functional needs. By embracing these principles, you can cultivate a thriving indoor garden that brings joy and sustenance to your home. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert insights on interior design and home decor. Like this video and share your own kitchen garden ideas in the comments below. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more inspiring designs in the future. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.